वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं। इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा नेपोटिज्म का? साजिद नडियाड वाला क्राई आफ्टर द रिलीज। इतना भी प्रेशर मत डालो भाई।
More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji.
8. Yeah. So do na. This is
That's your shot.
opportunity to work with Salman sir. As in, what can get bigger than that? Thank you.
It's worked so wonderful.
मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी।
You are broken
Younger,
ribs.
younger me.
अरे उसको तो आगे ये गणेश दादा थोड़ा पाठीव ना यार थोडा काय पाठी नाही अहो तुम्ही पुढे गेला मी बरोबर होतो इथं
थोड़ा आगे चलो आगे चलो भाई नीचे अरे इधर हाँ चलो अभी चलो चलो हो गया हो गया
सलमान भाई सिकंदर भाई सिकंदर
सर
भाई भाई
सलमान सर भाई इधर
भाई सामने
भाई सामने सर
आई लव यू भाई
सर लव यू
ब्लू कलर सिकंदर यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर भाई
सर ये साइड भाई गैमलिंग वाले भाई भाई
भाई राइट में भाई
पासिंग नहीं
भाई आपके राइट ये भाई
भाई इस साइड
ये भाई ये
थोड़ा चल भी हो ना अंदर यार भाई यार
राइट में भाई
राइट भाई
भाईजान इधर
भाईजान ये साइड
भाईजान है साइड
ए भाई कौन है
अरे महेंद्र भाई महेंद्र
महेंद्र भाई नीचे बैठो.
Eid, Diwali, New Year, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And picture अच्छी हो बुरी हो वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं.
200 सर 3-4 दिन में 200. Now first reaction,
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी.
sometimes we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you,
And
thank
you
you.
put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें करनी
बीच
पड़ती
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है. और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में. अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना. मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना.
Murugadas sir,
Thank you.
Share something with you, please.
one second. I'll just
Yeah, take this.
yeah, just take yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Just increase the volume for this mic.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad Studio in Chennai. I request the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I don't know what was the shoot. So I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's coming.
Backside. Like my backside.
So he's coming. So I tried to see who is the hero. He turned. Is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So that shoot started. So without knowing, I went forward. So the guard touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave.
Yeah.
So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years, I have directed with him.
Fantastic.
So
Just imagine what the security guard must be thinking now, sir, when he comes to watch this movie.
thank you, sir.
And then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
So thank you, sir. Definitely, Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murugadas and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think all that is quite simple and very sorted out. जिस तरह हमने देख लिया. Now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murugadas sir. It's very special, and when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's there.
Yeah, your box office returns.
Yeah,
इतना
so
भी
excited.
प्रेशर मत डालो भाई.
सर मैंने मुरुगदास सर पे तो 0 का प्रेशर डाल दिया. 100,000 बोल दिया. So we already crossed that.
Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my. And after watching this trailer, this is amazing, amazing. Murugadas sir, thank you very much. Because sir, I am in the field for the past 47 years and nearly I did 250.
So once say it slowly. you're not 47 years old. You're in the field for
the
47
field,
years.
yeah.
So can we have a big round of applause for that? I don't know too many people that can say that record and still.
Started when he was 3 years old.
And I started my career as a very sarcastic villain. After that, by opportunity, I became a hero. I did nearly 100 films as hero. For example, Hukumat Dharmendra Ji's. I did Dharmendra Ji's character. And in Agnipath in Tamil, I did Amitabh Ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanirani Sah's character I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very.
They say so much about him. He's loved everywhere.
But I don't have any combination with Oh Solriya Mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films, yeah. So, and of course the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're so incredibly humble. There were so many wows when you were saying the roles that you had done. Sometimes in this current day and age, when we have one reel going viral, people start saying, you look at how humbly you said. It's a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I think we all learnt a little bit about cinema history today, standing sir with you. So really humbling to be on stage with you also. But there's nothing wrong that you can do sometimes, Rashmi. And I say it, you know why? Because a lot of people become stars. You're still so chilled, still so humble. I was seeing a video the other day. You asked the Paps, "Aur kitna videos loge mera?" Same hi to main lag rahi hu. It was beautiful. But that's how it's been. The last couple of years has been fantastic for you. Do you sometimes just, are you in shock or what is it go? Yes, of course, everyone puts in the same amount of effort. You're watching all your films and different kinds of films also, So it must be a fantastic period. What is the thought process now? What are you thinking?
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
Do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is
That's your shot.
We should get everyone to do it.
Now the Paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time? Not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, I entered the industry 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, with a scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
So are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well, you know, and congratulations on this. And I think your good luck charm will continue to run with this also.
Thank
That's what Salman sir, Murugadoss sir, and Sajid sir are also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir. But you know, you've got this incredible friendship with Salman sir, you know, and but simple. Now you've seen the film. वो होता है कि first shot में, वाह, I love it. No, as a producer, also as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say yes, it worked for me?
So the shot you're asking shot?
No, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah,
Any
fully
more cuts
satisfied.
left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 days shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has.
ये एक दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has. What sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी. So sir, continue now.
So Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I've done this film for you all.
Yeah.
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
Oh,
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. फसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, I didn't say one last shot, sir. 3 shots and left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahil sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also for great.
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
No, our shooting was what will be like.
Shooting also was like this. Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you.
I don't know.
The lyrics, right? Who knows his full song? Who knows his full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए. आपके नसीब में ये रात हो. बात नहीं, रात.
Wonderful, wonderful. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning, and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming. Yeah.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image also.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Pehle taaliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics. And we want you want that, right? That picture.
जूम करो ना यार, तुम लोग का मोबाइल ही आ रहा है बीच में. भाई 15 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई.
अरे भाई
भाई 15 साल से भाई सलमान सर 15 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई. जल्दी प्रेम भाई. थैंक यू.